everybody, today I'm going to tell you my awesome marble course. No, this is not a marble course, but there's marbles in it, but they're really heavy. So, this is how the dominoes work. I'll just press start and you can see this domino is pretty sideways. You can speed up the video to make it speed up. And then watch as the dominoes split. I won't say anything. Be relaxed. This video is all about be relaxed. Bye. No, this is too slow. Well, normally this will fix it. Yeah, this is definitely a lot faster for some reason. If you scroll out, it will be like a lot of faster, but it's just going down. You can see it closely. It looks like nothing, but yeah. And then this will go, and yeah. And then these will go. Oh well. Wait until this is how it works. I'll get that. So, okay. Sorry. So this is, yeah. So now the dominoes will go here. POV, this is my mouse is a human that is trying to escape the dominoes. Look, this is 10 meters. Human is this small. Help, help, dominoes chasing me. It's very slow, but I guess I can run with it. 10 years later, done. Now, I'm trapped. Help, help, help. Oh no, the dominoes are coming. Wait, I think I'm protected. Oh no. So this is how it's going to go. It's very slow. Or you can see the whole picture by doing this. 2 ways. This is very light so I can do the dominoes. And now this ball is going to go down. And look at this map. It will go down and go down here. I'll tell you this later. So it's going, both of them are going, racing. You can clearly see that this is going faster than this. Look. It's literally almost reaching. Oh, it's reached. You would think this is win, but it's actually a very close match because look, when you do this, it will go and then go down, and then you would think it just went in the hole, right? Nope, it will go up, then it will get time for the dominoes to win. But not so much time. Oh well. So see, it's a very close match. Can you stop it? Oh well. So this ball will go. I'm not letting you say anything. I will not let you anything. Never mind. My friend is staying out the window. Bro, stop! And this will make the marbles, and then, yeah, the marble will go down, and this is a killer, so it will kill this. And then all the marbles will go down this complicated track, and then you see what happens. It is very satisfying. This is very satisfying. Don't miss this part. It's so satisfying. In 3, 2, 1. wait, no. 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. It was straight before, but yeah. It's going, and it will make a pattern. By the way, there's. Why is there a platform here? I didn't make a platform. Oh yes, naturally generated. And it will rearrange itself into a T shape. And look, it looks rectangle. Oh, never mind. So go. Wait until it's still here. How is it still? Oh well. So now my ball will go down. Racing be like. But oh wait, this is the second ball. Well, I thought this was the first. The third ball is definitely not going anywhere. I'm just gonna help you. So now you can see this pattern, T. So you want to end it or continue the video. I'm just gonna continue it. I am going to hack it. You see this? I am going to put my mouse pointer here. Boom. It gone here. Yep. And the third ball is coming down, and then then it's going, and who's gonna hold it? Yeah. Thank you for watching this domino. It looks like a dinosaur's head. I haven't even did it yet. Bye.